Kleinfelder is committed to improving the environment, delivering innovative solutions everywhere. Kleinfelder obtained additional grant funding to address water quality and environmental impact during the restoration of Ramanessin Brook Watershed.
Through extensive field work and also computer modeling, we were able to identify the causes of the water quality problems and also prescribe a specific set of solutions. These solutions were in the form of retrofits. Second phase was design. Our civil and environmental engineers designed and also obtained all the necessary permits. The third phase is construction. And during the construction phase, we prepared and evaluated bids for our client and also provided for construction oversight to ensure the success of the project. Throughout these three components, we helped our client obtain funding to actually perform the work.
Through our ability to obtain these grants, we were able to allow this client to implement a project that, without those grants, would not have been in existence today.
Kleinfelder was a true partner from the studies, permitting, design, and construction itself. Kleinfelder made the whole process smooth.
Kleinfelder scales with capacity and innovation worldwide.